Fred here for Tuesday Tent Talk with Linda.
Hey.
Wrapping up 2000. We're in a live place with a heater, so we'll be right back with you. Hey, Fred here and Linda for another Tuesday Tent Talk, wrapping up 2021. I just want to say to everybody out there, thank you for making 2021 the best year we've ever had. And I got to tell you, the other night, Linda, I was sitting around going through some Facebook posts, and our customers really make us look good. Some of the tents that you guys are doing out there with the decor and different settings are just beautiful. And thank you for making our tents and product look so well.
So you can see we're wearing winter coats because it's pretty cold here today in
Waterford,
New York.
Yeah,
However, baby, it's cold outside, but hot off the press.
We got our new catalog.
2022 catalog.
Catalog 37 is going to the press, and it will be out to you shortly. If you're not on our mailing list and you're watching us, please let us know at tttwemaketents.com, and we'll get you a new copy. Should be out in a couple of weeks, right after the first of the year. We're excited to show you our new catalog. We've got a couple of new products in there. One of them is our new Stillwater line, and that's all I'm going to say. We've got a new product that we're going to do with the Stillwater. Shh, don't tell anybody.
Top secret.
We will be displaying that at IFAI in January 18th down in Daytona, Florida. So come see us. We won't have to have our scarves and our jackets on. It'll be warm. A couple of new products. What else?
I think you wanted to talk about new equipment at Fred's Tents.
Yeah, we got some new equipment. We're excited. We got a new 3-meter printer. The printer allows us to do 3-meter wide stuff, and it also, the throughput is a lot quicker. So we do have white ink on that printer too, so that's exciting. You know, white ink again, and we're hoping to do a special little sneak peek of what our printer can do for you guys down there again at IFAI January 18th in Daytona.
So white ink. So Fred's favorite color is red, just like Santa. However, our favorite color is white. We do primarily white tents, all of you as well.
So white and red. It's the season for white and red, right?
It is.
So what else do we have? We also have a new piece of equipment, right?
For our metal fabrication, we have a robotic welder, which is extremely awesome.
Yeah, she was a bad girl. Like when she first saw it, she thought it was really, really cool. And
I said the F word, not but the other F word.
Oh, Linda, stop. So we did get a new robot. It was one of my visions 3 or 4 years ago to make a robot that was actually set up as a Lazy Susan. So we put the parts on one side and put it into a fixture. The Lazy Susan or the turntable, the welder turns around and welds the parts on the back side. So really neat. And again, we do have another Tuesday Tent Talk coming up. But what that's allowed us to do is during the last couple of years with supply chain, being able to get certain fittings and do things and get metal and pipe in, now we can produce them further ahead and have them. So we're hoping our volume and supply chain on the metal parts, any of our metal parts, will be available. So we're excited about that. Look forward to doing another TTT in the future with that. You know, I made a commitment to the company and to our customers in 2019 that we would engineer and give you ballast calculations on every tent in that. And we're proud to say that I think we're one of the few manufacturers that every tent in here may not meet the initial code, but we're going to give you a ballast load and a wind load for that tent. So every tent in here will have a staking and ballast load in the catalog 37. We're really looking forward to that. Took over 2 years to do it through COVID and everything else, but we were able to get it done, and we're excited about that. So hopefully you guys, as you need those documents, we have them available for you, and if you need help with that, we're here to help. What a great 2021. Any closing songs you want to sing? Or no, Dottie, you're going to get cold because that naughty words you said earlier, though, but about that welder. But from Linda and I, thank you both, and all of you out there. Both? Who's both? You know.
So from all of us at Fred's Tents, from Fred
Happy
and
holidays.
Linda,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year's. Let's pretend we throw a snowball at them. Maybe we can Photoshop that in. Ready?